One of the country's largest retail chains, Zimbabwe, is auctioning off 4 supermarkets and other key properties at a desperate attempt to stay afloat amid Zimbabwe's deepening economic collapse driven by the failure of the Zimbabwe gold ZIC currency. Sanabena mashoko ari kuda panguva ino chinoka kunzi awo yotengesa some of its stores panguva ino chitiko chavhundutsa vanhu is the economy crumbles. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda pana ZVAITWA munobwanyuka muchinzi. The shocking move was announced Thursday at an extraordinary general meeting EGM held in Harare, where shareholders endorsed a sweeping rescue package that includes raising $20 million through rights offer and disposing of immovable assets to raise an additional $10.4 million. Group Chairman Herbert Ngala revealed that the affected properties include flagship outlets such as Mbuyane in Harare, Gwero, Glenview, and Malvern in Waterfalls. Other assets on the auction block include a warehouse in Wellington, a commercial stand in Borodale, and another along the Harare-Masvingo Highway in South Park. The drastic measures come as the retail sector buckles under Zimbabwe's hyperinflationary environment and chronic currency instability. The ZIC, introduced with much fanfare by the Reserve Bank in April 2024 to replace the Zimbabwe dollar, has already lost significant value, decimating consumer purchase power and choking off capital for businesses reliant on local liquidity. Ngala said the rescue plan, underwritten by the shareholders such as National Society Security Authority NASA, DATFest nominees, and Old Mutual Life Assurance Company, will be used to restock shelves, repay overdue creditors, modernize stores, and implement new technologies. The $20 million renounceable rights offer will see the issuance of 1.83 billion new shares at a subscription price of 0.0109 cents each, payable in hand currency. Shareholders will receive 1.37 new shares for every 1 share held as of July 21, 2025. Domashko ari kuda panguva ino aiwa Zimbabwe panguva ino ichitengesa some of its stores. Pinda section medu boti zamafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro of this mnangagwa economy. Pinda section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.